1.
The alarm by Ethan. My goal is to make an alarm system. I designed an ultrasonic sensor that lights up lights. I used a Raspberry Pi. Why ultrasonic? Male, female, what?
Try presenting to us. Yeah.
I use 6 variables, 1 list, 5 if statements, and 3 while loops. I tested it about 8 times. What do you think? If I want to make more, I want to make it more annoying and more lights.
Okay, cool. Can you switch it back?
What?
Switch so you can activate your alarm system.
Where is it?
There's a little button on the... Can you explain what's happening?
Look at the screen. Explain what's happening.
No, the alarm, like if it's like a certain distance away, a light would flash. If it's super close, all the lights will turn on. If it's super far, then none of them will. Like if we, that's all.
Okay, does anyone have any questions for him?
The student can join anytime they want.
Okay.
It's just that's the pattern we see. We usually, if you want to look for
Ethan, I got one. What was the hardest part for you?
Because older students usually come at 6 o'clock.
I don't know.
Because they come out of activity.
Was everything hard or was everything easy?
I don't know.
Okay. Is there any part that you enjoyed?
It's a trial class, yes, and we'll send you an email to confirm what they
No, I enjoy testing it, of course.
Okay. Anyone else have any
Yeah,
questions?
One more question. So what's the number you measured? What's the unit of the most number?
Do you know, Ethan? Do you remember from our lesson?
If you like it, you can send, yeah. If you didn't like it,
Like
just
3,000. What is the 3,000 mean?
It's only 25, 50, and 75.
for the classes,
centimeters.
Depends on the program.
Centimeter.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe for the
Yeah.
robotics, it's 520.
So can you do? If you put a paper in front of it, can you?
It works a lot better with the paper.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ethan, can you show them with the paper?
Okay, I'll just use
That is 12 classes. You can work for it. That's roughly
Okay. But they fix the distance. Okay. Like
Okay, pull it out.
yeah, 20 or 30. Yeah, far away, 100. No. Okay. So what's the range can you measure?
Huh?
What's the range?
What's the range? Safely between 0 and 100. After that, it's...
I see. 0 to 100. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anyone else have any questions? Okay. Give Ethan a round of applause.